horrible baby food and give it to them too.
Why didn't you tell me that? That would have been a whole lot easier. So, boiling a snail was for your entertainment, I see. You know I don't like them. They're so sticky. There you go, baby. Well, are you sure they can eat snails? Because he's...
Yeah, that's what it says right here.
Well, it looks like he's having some time. Let me know if you need help, little guy. Oh, you got that. Oh, you got that. Okay. Okay.
So you can get the Gerber meat baby food and give it to
You want to feed your brother? I'll bring you in. Come on. I think he wants to feed his baby. Look. There's your brother. You gonna feed him? Look, his mouth's open. Eat. Say eat. Are you sure they can eat? Oh, God.
Yeah, that's what I said. I even showed you.
Ah, it needed to be a little damp, huh, buddy? Yeah. Now throw up in your brother's mouth.
Oh, yeah, you can give him like the meat sample.
Okay, so I'm gonna dip this in water. First, I'm gonna give it to the baby. Okay. Oh, eat that, baby. Oh. Oh, he's swallowing. Oh, good. I'm coming. Okay, Jesus. Hey, Mama bird. Oh, watch it. Here, I'll put it right here. Ugh. Okay, I'm definitely not a mama bird. Ugh. Oh, God. I'm serious. Ugh. It's so slimy. Okay, one more time. You want this? You want that? You don't want that? What about baby? Baby, you want some? I'm worried about this little guy. He's losing. Take it. Oh my God, it's like...